This intake is off a 2000 Toyota Tundra V8, 4.7 liter, and it's pretty dirty. I took it off. I'm trying to get a little better gas mileage out of my truck, so I can see all that grime in there. Thinking, who knows, maybe cleaning this thing off would help a little bit. So after doing this project and replacing the exhaust, fixing some exhaust leaks, and cleaning the mass airflow sensor, which I also did, I get about 16 to 17 on straight freeway. Right here I'm kind of pointing you through all the different little connections there are on this, and honestly I couldn't tell you right now because I kind of forgot what each one was, but there's a sensor, electrical connection, then different attachments for different vacuum lines or whatever they are, PCV valves, or whatever, I don't know. Anyways, you're the expert. All we gotta do is clean this thing. So I took it out of here, disconnect the throttle cable. There's some more of the tubing I'm talking about, different lines that need to connect to it. Oh, I think it has cooling, so coolant runs through, so there's a coolant line. And looking back here, there's I think that's where the PCV valve is. Yeah, you can pop that off, change that out, and clean it. I'm sorry, it's just been a while since I did this video, and now I'm just running a voiceover over it to kind of go back through, but it's more for the people that just need to see exactly where everything is and how it all plays out. I used a toothbrush and some of that spray and got it looking really good and clean. So I'm happy with it. Put it back in. Everything's running great, smooth, ready to go.